Yo, check this out guys. So this week we've actually been doing a lot of unboxings on EKSA products, but what we've really been eager to get our hands on is this new arrival, which is the EKSA FENRIR E7000 stereo gaming headset. Now this particular headset today does retail at £19. That's 25 in US dollars. I mean, that's cheap as chips. Yeah, it is compatible with mobiles, PC, laptops, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, obviously you might need that adapter, and Nintendo Switch. EKSA have designed this particular product to give you the look of a pro gamer, and they state that this E7000 headset will provide top quality gamed audio. But will it? Well, let's head right in and see what we get. Well, inside the box everything comes very well packaged and protected. We get the EKSA headset that initially feels quite light. It in fact weighs 295 grams. Even though it is that light, it does feel quite solid, very versatile, and it certainly has very good flexibility, adequate adjustments on those side arms that shouldn't have any problem fitting any size head. Now, the look and design of this particular headset is quite exclusive to EKSA. It has an IP werewolf image design, so yes, the outside of the drive unit will indeed light up and illuminate once that USB on the end of that corded cable is plugged into a power source. Those side lights certainly will look aesthetically pleasing, with that cool monochrome lighting, certainly giving you a look of a real gamer. And to provide audio to this headset, you have a 3.5mm jack that's also attached to, again, that very lengthy corded cable that we've got to note does actually feel very durable. So yes, this E7000 FENRIR headset does have a very unique but solid design. Okay, I wouldn't say it is over the top modern looking, but with that black and luminous green colour tone, it certainly does look better than those cheap gaming headsets that you will get on certain stores like Amazon or, for example, AliExpress. Now, on those 50mm driver units, we are provided with PU leather ear cushions. These are indeed easily replaced, should you wish, by unclipping them just like so. You do have that colour matching, luminous green inner line material covering those drivers, and to help keep this EKSA headset secure and snug on your head, which by the way feels very comfortable, the headband also has that matching PU leather very thick foam padding. It's very nice, yeah. So overall, as the design goes, yes, it is very simple but certainly does stand out. Now the microphone on this headset is a 120-degree rotatable microphone. You can bend it right into position so it sits right in front of your mouth. And for audio adjustability, well, to the side of that left-hand driver unit, to the rear, we've got that volume control dial and a simple mute switch, which is easy to blindly master once the headset is placed upon your head. Accessory wise, well, this has to be the first EKSA headset that doesn't actually come with that standard PU leather pull cord bag, I'm afraid. Nevertheless, as usual, we do get a very detailed user manual setup guide and a dual 3.5mm splitter that will enable you to plug this FENRIR gaming headset into a laptop or PC that requires a microphone and headphone adaptation. But yeah, that's the unboxing, but what is this product actually like? Well, let's go right in and test it out, shall we? Now, we did test this headset over the past 24 hours. We actually did some intensive gaming for 8 hours plus, and well, for comfort, we've got to be quite honest, our ears over that time period never felt sweaty at all. Those over-the-ear earpads felt very comfortable. They do provide average passive noise isolation, but when it comes to the audio, here's the best bit.
So we're playing this brand new horror game called Zamblante. It's on the PC, it's released in 2022, and it's our first game that we're actually going to play on our brand new channel called Games from the Script. So go over in the video description, check it out for yourself. Yeah, let's go. Resident Evil style. Woo! I don't know if you can hear the fan of the laptop in the background. We have played an initial first recording of the microphone quality. Let's turn this light on because we don't like spookiness. And the microphone quality is not too bad. We have noticed though that we have to place the microphone direct in front of our mouth in order to get good voice pickup volume, yeah. But as sound goes, we can actually hear the thunder from the right hand driver unit through this right side window, so it's not too bad. Good bass, by the way. It's midnight. Let's go back, let's check out this first room. Okay, we've got a cat lover, that's alright, isn't it? Who's that spooky woman? Thomas, is that you? A what? Eh? Man? That's a man? Oh. Jesus. It's a weird old kitchen. Got proper damp on the walls though, innit? Yeah, let's check out this first. Let's examine. So this headset's not too bad. The microphone pickup's about average. Lies. No, I'm not lying. It is about average. 457. 457. I did not want to do it. Sorry. It's too late now. Whatever you did. Yeah, guys. The microphone pickup, again, it's just about average. But when it does come to any type of jump scares, if you're going to be shouting loud down the microphone, you will indeed get some voice pickup like this. Dusty, man. Man needs to clean up. Dog lover. Lassie, go home. This is the either 80s or 90s. Probably the 90s looking at the video recorder. There's another tape there. Nice. Is it there? Does that say triple X? Spooky. Is that a body? There's something there. I swear there's something. There's something around me here. I can hear something weird in my ear. Is that a body? What is it? Oh, fucking hell. Wow. Okay. We have finally started renovating the house. The bathroom is completely new. It is not having that creepy feel anymore. I am happy about that. Well, the moment I get a creepy feel about a house, me done. Me gone. These tapes which we found in the basement are giving me chills. It looks like someone was recording it in the graveyard in front of the house and probably wasn't looking for someone or something. I tell you what, I wouldn't even buy the house if it was in front of a graveyard. This would be me done. I would have stayed Nick X by now. This is giving me Blair Witch vibes. Something there, you know, like blowing in my ear. Some ghost giving me the come on or what? Hey, the clock actually keeps up. So it's been 6 minutes into the game and it's kept up. Let's go upstairs and check what's going on. Ah! Fucking hell. Definitely turn that on. Just a tip, guys, when you're playing a horror game like this, never open the first door. Just a little tip. So got some type of old school or something. It looks like Manchester Grammar. But yeah, the surround sound's not too bad with this headset, guys. I must admit, it is above average for its price range. And when it does come to the audio quality, I've got, for God's sake.
I'm getting up having some stains by the end of the day.
But as mentioned, the only thing I will say is the microphone. If you're looking for professional gaming headsets, maybe look at another EKSA product on our channel. But for its price range, it's not too bad if you're intending to do some light gaming. Well, we're going to continue this gameplay today and hopefully upload the rest of the gameplay up on our brand new gaming channel, which again is Games from the Script. We have been hearing strange noises from the basement. I've installed CCTV cameras there to check out what is going on. Once I saw a dark figure on CCTV, but when I went to check it with my own two eyes, no one was there. That thing was not even on VHS. Still don't understand it. Cameras must be faulty. Yeah, I'm sure they are, Mark. Fucking lover!
So yes, this was the review of the new arrival, which is the EKSA FENRIR E7000 headset. Again, £19, so we wasn't asking much, but we've got to say that this certainly does tick all the boxes. Okay, you will definitely get better headsets on the market. For example, if you do spend a bit more, maybe up to £40 to £50, but for the budget range category, for audio, we're going to give a 9 out of 10. For its design, we're going to give another 9 out of 10. Microphone quality, again, another 9 out of 10. Comfort, again, a very comfortable headset. These headphones never fell off our head, not even once. And well, overall, we simply got to give this EKSA FENRIR E7000 headset today our overall rating of 9 out of 10. Again, that is rating them within a budget range category. Now we will note that if you do want to power those lights on the side of the drive unit, you will indeed have to plug it into a power source. So when you're hooking them into your PS5 console, you may need to connect it to a battery power bank, but you will have no problems once this headset is connected, say, to your laptop. Use that USB port on your computer and you should have no problems. So yes guys, I will leave a link for this headset within the video description down below. Go and check it out for yourselves, and if you like what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today. Even more importantly, please subscribe to this channel so you can show some support. Making sure though to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on my very next uploads. Now we've got some more EKSA products coming this very week, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!